Hey everyone. So I did a video um, the other day about how you can get started with WordPress.com, which is WordPress.com is one of the WordPress where you start for beginners. Mainly beginners use WordPress.com. Other some advanced may use WordPress.com because it's simple to use. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a video on like how to get started with advanced. So the advanced way is what happens is you get your own hosting, you set up your hosting with WordPress, and then you can choose different WordPress themes, what comes with WordPress.com, which is free, but also you can actually add your own WordPress themes. So it's more features with an advanced setup. So today I'm going to show you how you can set up an advanced WordPress, which is different from the WordPress.com. So let's get to it. So I already set up the hosting. So hosting I use is through Namecheap.com. It's called EasyWP, which I guess it stands for WordPress WP. Great setup. They offer great features. You can start with there, and then you can always upgrade to different Namecheap hostings. You got your own servers. You got the cloud servers. Different options. So today I'm going to start with the advanced option for WordPress hosting under Namecheap. Okay, that's Namecheap.com. So let's get started here. So here is the setup I have for you. This is where you will start for your hosting. So if I go back, so here is the Namecheap. And from here, you go see Namecheap right here. You will sign in. You would choose this option here, Easy WP, which you will find right here under WordPress hosting. So here we go. Here's the prices. This is the cloud WordPress hosting. If I can recommend, I will recommend these two options here. These two options, they come with uh, CDN, which helps your website go faster. This one also offers that as well. You get 99.9% uptime. Same thing with the others. But these two options here, you get free SSL. So you want to secure your website, make sure your website is secure, and these two options offer that. And if you want to learn more, you just go to the website. They have a video explaining everything you need to know about it, different options. They're all great. It's a cloud hosting. So as you see, you get a built-in DDoS protection. So you get access to your PHP, your web server updates. So it's great service, great performance. I think you will like it. It's a way to get started, get set up. Okay, so here we choose our name. And then they have a couple options you can choose from. Hey, I'm selling online, showcase creative work. Okay, continue. And then here, you can choose like a free domain option to get your website set up. You can choose a domain from a different provider, or if you have your domain already on Namecheap, you can just select it here. So I have my domains. Let's pick one. This one. Here you can select your different templates. So you can skip it, or you can just choose one. Normally they add them anyway, but if you want to, select one, you can. Here are their recommended plugins, which is popular plugins right here. This one's a good one. This one's a good one. This one is a good one. So let's check them. and then click continue, and then right here it gives you a review. Okay, so next is going to ask you to pay. So here it's going to say, next you're going to have to pay, but since I already set it up and paid already, we're going to skip that option here. So now it's going to load, and then it's going to bring, it's going to show you your page and how you can, enter the WordPress backend. So as that load, so I'm just waiting for a load. So you guys tell me if you guys are using WordPress, what hosting are you guys using? Let me know. Comment in the video. Tell me what hosting you're using. I believe I tried, almost every hosting out there that, allow you to set up your WordPress, and, that share hosting, that's your own server. Let me know what company you were using. I'm curious to know. So let's go back. Okay, so here we show it's creating your website now, which is right here. It's still loading. So we give it some time to load that. So now it says it's ready. So we can go into manage. And if you just come into the video, what I'm showing here is how you can get set up with advanced WordPress hosting. So if you actually use WordPress.com and you're looking for something different, or you think about changing your hostings you have right now, this is a great option right here. So with EasyWP, it have your backends very simple, easy to use. It shows you your CPU, your RAM. You got your SSL certificate, and when you want to activate it, you go into manage, you hit add new, you choose the free option as it loads. And also, as you see, you can also, if you have your own SSL certificate, you can also add it. So you don't have to choose the free one, but they offer it for you to secure your site, because web browsers, Google, they want you to have a secure website. If you don't have a secure website, people coming to your site is not going to put their credit card on there. They're not going to feel safe on your site. So you want to have this lock symbol right here on your browser. So here it also breaks down like your backup. So if you want to back up your site anytime, you can just type title in and then hit backup. It back up your files, your whole WordPress site for you. Here is your files and data. So if you need to get access to your FTP access or your database access, sometimes if you have a WordPress theme and you are working with a developer, and sometimes the developer are going to ask you, hey, can I get access to your FTP? Can you give me access to your WordPress login information? And you can do that by giving them access to it. So you can give them access to it for 12 hours, 24 hours, or forever. So you can choose if you just want them to have access for like 12 hours so they can get in and fix up your theme for you, or if it's an error or bug or something, that's a great way to do that. So give you security. Here is your analytics information here. Integrations. You can add, something like this would make your website faster. Private email, logo maker, premium DNS. Okay, so now if we did that, let's go directly to the WordPress admin, which is so easy. You will see how just setting it up, your WordPress theme is now set up for you, and this right here is an advanced option. So it's not the free WordPress.com option. It's a more advanced option because you control your own hosting. And to me, that's what you want. You want to have full access to your own hosting. You want to have full access to your WordPress theme to do whatever you want. So here it looks a little different but similar. So if one of the things, if you need to give access to your so if you have a theme forest template in your the support, say, hey, I need access to your WordPress admin, do not give them your main login information. Make sure you go here, add a new one, and then choose right here, and then administrator right here, and create a new account for them, like under support or something like that, and then give them access to that one. Don't give them access to your main user information. So that's a little bonus I threw in there for you. So, all right. So, like I told you before in the last video, you cannot add your own themes, but here on an advanced option, you get access to themes. So here, you can add your own themes right here. So make sure you update this, or me, I usually remove all the extra ones. So I only keep one, and then I add my own theme. So here you also get access to all the free ones, which they're going to show me right here. So you get the same free themes that you would get on WordPress.com, but this way you actually control your hosting, you control your WordPress. You're not connected, bound by WordPress.com setup. So you get access to everything. So even with your theme files, so even right here, you get the theme edit files, you don't get access to that. Let this load. So right here, give you a heads up, tweak anything. But here you get access to your style sheet, your CSS. So if you need to change things, I'm always changing files and things like that. So here you can change your themes. Also, even with your plugins that you have, you can do the exact same thing. You can go in, change certain files on your plugins. So, and I suggest you sign up to this Google Site Kit. Is great. It gives you all your analytics. I will do I think I did a video before on it, but I'm gonna do another video on this to give you some information on how to get set up and what information it shows. So as you see here, it's similar. So if you're going to set up a post, it's similar as a WordPress.com, but as you see, it's cleaner. You don't have a lot of clutter kind of with the WordPress.com. If you look at my other video, it's different. And I think you would be more happier with the more advanced option. That's my suggestion. So here is what it looks like when you add your own posts. This right here is the SEO. I can do a whole nother video on SEO because SEO is great for your WordPress sites. So you want your title to also match your description, and also whatever you put in your description, you want it to all match. You want some keywords, and that's how you can show up on Google on a topper layer. Because if somebody's searching for something, you want them to find your website. So this is a plugin right here you might want to add. So and this right here is just the blocks. I think I did a video before in the last video. It's all the same blocks here, which is not hard to set up. It's easy. I can do a whole video on how to do that. I think there's other authors out there who on YouTube did videos already on how to set up these blogs and things like that. So you can definitely check out their videos. It's just easy. You just touch in and that's it, really. Moving around, move it. So, but that's it, really. Let's get out of this. Save as draft. Okay. The dash. Here we go. So this right here is just showing you the different options you have, which is more options that you will have. It's more advanced than it is on WordPress.com. So this is just advanced how to set up your WordPress theme, hosting, get set up. So if you have some questions about, you know, this advanced option, let me know. I will respond to you. I'm going to do another video on adding some more templates, so some more themes. So check out those videos. If this video helped you a little bit, like and subscribe. And glad you was here. Until next time.